I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new project and setting the timeline format to match your deliverable. This ensures clips don't need heavy scaling later. Next, import footage directly from a card or folder so you have every clip in the browser. Once imported, make basic selections. Skim clips, mark favorites, and apply keywords. This saves time when assembling. Make sure to name the project clearly and store media in a single library so you avoid relinking later. You'll now assemble your story on the magnetic timeline, dragging favorite clips into sequence and using connected clips for B-roll. This keeps timing flexible. Once placed, refine timing with the precision editor or use the blade tool for hard cuts. Play with JKL for speed trimming. Then balance audio levels and apply a basic color correction to match shots. Once done, add transitions sparingly and stabilize any shaky footage so the edit reads smoothly and looks consistent. You finish by exporting with file share, choosing a preset or master file with the correct codec and resolution to match delivery requirements. Before exporting, play the full timeline to catch render glitches, dropped frames, or audio peaking. Make small adjustments and re-render the affected sections. If something goes wrong, make sure to relink any offline media using Reveal in Finder and reconnect clips. This often resolves missing footage errors before a final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.